Hey everyone, it's Kiri and I'm going to be showing you how to use the new 8-bit keyframe effect on Funimate. So what you're going to do is click keyframe, add effect and type 8-bit. Now this is sort of like a glitch blur effect where different filters / colors can be applied to create a cool blur effect. So before we head to the color, I'm just going to show you what the intensity does. It does what a normal pixelate effect does. When it's 100, it increases the pixelate. When it's 0, it's just a normal image. So you can add transitions starting with a high 8-bit to then a lower one with like good quality, which is seen all over social media. So first, I'm going to show you all the different palette colors and I'm just going to increase the intensity so you can see it more realistically. So palette 1 has more of a saturated color, as you can see. Palette 2, 3 has more of a purple tone. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is more of a cool blue tone. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All these have different sorts of colors and filters which you can use depending on your type of edit to try and get a different type of vibe. It's all up to you to play around with and create the edits of your choices. I like using these in velocities to show in a glitchy audio at the start and then a really high quality finish. But you can use these any way you like, in edits, backgrounds, with opacity, all up to you. And I hope that was helpful and can't wait to see all your edits with the new 8-bit feature. Thanks for watching.